newly upgraded buckle structure with locking sensors, convenient and firm, secure and reliable. Enlarged double inlets, more smooth pouring, less splashing. The higher front than the back, less wind drag, more comfort for replacing battery. Much smarter, much assurance. The high precision weighing model shows the reminder in real time. Optimized droplets with extended coverage brings you better spraying service. Integrated tank, spraying and spreading, one-step switching, widely used in various spreading scenarios. The whole drone achieves waterproof IP67, easily cope with various harsh working environments.